Now see the third problem. The perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle of dimensions this is of dimensions 15 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Find which one has the large area. Okay, see what is the question. The perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle of dimensions 15 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Now you have to find which one has the large area. Okay, see the first. How can you find in that one? See, first you have to write area of the rectangle. Okay, see here, area of the rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? Length into breadth. Okay, area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So see here, what is the length? 15 into breadth, what is that? 13. Okay, see here, what is 15 into 13? How can you multiplying in that one? See, already we know that. See here, 5 3s are 15, remainder 1, 1 3s are 3, plus 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, and then you have to multiply 1 into 1. What is that? 1. So area of the rectangle is 195. This is the area, so we have to write square. This one is the centimeter, so you have to put centimeter or otherwise centimeter square. Okay, see here, now you have to find the area of the rectangle. Next you have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle formula? 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so see here, 2 into, what is the length value? 15, plus what is the breadth value? 13. Now 2 into, what is the addition for 15 plus 13? 5 plus 3 8, 1 plus 1 2. Now multiply 2 into 28. What will you get? 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, see here, this is the centimeter only. Okay, the both are centimeter. Here plus symbol is there, so only one time centimeter you have to write. This one is the perimeter of the rectangle. The next one, see, perimeter of the square. What is the perimeter of the square formula? 4 into length of one side, right? This is the formula, 4 into length of one side. So see here, in this one, see the first line, the perimeter of the square is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. See here, you have to find perimeter of the rectangle is 56 centimeter. Right? So, the perimeter of the rectangle is nothing but perimeter of the square. Right? So, write this line, given that the perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so in this perimeter of the rectangle, in this given condition is nothing but you have to write perimeter of the square. Okay, see here, what is the perimeter of the rectangle value? 56. So we have to write a perimeter of the square value is also 56. So therefore, write in this 56 centimeter equal to perimeter of the square is nothing but perimeter of the rectangle. This is the given condition. So we have to write perimeter of the square is equal to 56. This one 4 into length of one side. Okay, see here, now you have to find the length of one side. So in this multiply 2 can be written as the left hand side will get divided by 4, or otherwise you have to remove the 4 means divided by 4 on both sides. So what will you get? 56 by 4 equal to 4 into length of one side is equal divided by 4. Now see here, cancel the 4. So you will get length of one side equal to length of one side is equal to, simplifying in that one, what will you get? 1 4s are 4, remainder 1, 16 is there, and then 14 centimeter. So length of one side is 14 centimeter. Okay, now what do you have to find? That find which one has the large area. See here, area of the rectangle is 195 square centimeter. Now you have to find area of the square. Okay, see now just now you have to find length of the one side is 14 centimeter. So you have to find area of the square. So what is the area of the square? What is the formula? Side into side. Right? What is the one side? 14. Another side also 14. See here, what is 14 into 14? Everybody know that 196. This is into centimeter, centimeter squared, or otherwise square centimeter. Okay. See, this is the area of the square. So see here, area of the rectangle is 195 square centimeter. Area of the square is 196 square centimeter. But what is your question? Your question is find which one is large, 195 or 196. Which one is large? 196 is large. Therefore, the square has the large area. That means the square has the large area. So we have to write, so the square has the large area. Comparing to the area of the rectangle, area of the square is large. So your answer is the square has the large area. Everybody clear in this problem? Okay, this one is very big problem. So listen carefully. The question is very important. See, what is your question? The perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of the square, perimeter of the rectangle are equal. See, and also given that the dimension of perimeter of the rectangle, that means the length and breadth was given. That means 15 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Now you have to find which one has the large. So first of all, you have to find the area of the rectangle because of length and breadth was given. Everybody know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth. See here, the length 15, breadth 13. Simplifying in that one, you will get 195 centimeter, centimeter square, or otherwise square centimeter. See, next you have to write perimeter of the rectangle. See, why you have to find perimeter of the rectangle? Because of, in your given question is, perimeter of the square is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle you have to find means you got an perimeter of a square. That's why you have to find a perimeter of the rectangle. So write the formula 2 into L plus B. L and B was, that means length and breadth was given. So right here, simplifying in that one, you will get 56 centimeter. So perimeter of the square. Next you have to find the perimeter of the square. What is the perimeter of the square? Everybody know the formula 4 into length of one side. But in your given condition is perimeter of the square is nothing but perimeter of the rectangle. So already you have to find the perimeter of the rectangle value is 56. This is equal to the perimeter of the square from the given condition. So perimeter of the square is nothing but 56 centimeter equal to 4 into length of one side. Okay. Now removing in this 4 means the both side you have to divide it by 4. So you will get 56 by 4. In this one 4 into length of one side divided by 4. See the right hand side, cancel the 4, you will get length of one side. So length of one side is nothing but, simplifying in that one, you will get 14 centimeter. Now you have to find area of the square. What is the area of the square? Side into side. So one side is 14, another side also 14. So what is 14 into 14? 196 square centimeter. Now what do you need? Find which one has the large area. Already you have to find area of the rectangle is 195. Now you have to find area of the square is 196. Which one is large? Area of the square is large. So the square has the large area. Okay. See the next problem. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1.5 meter is fitted in a wall. Okay, the length and breadth of the wall are (6 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. Okay. Now you have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall at the rate of ₹25 per square meter. Okay, read the question carefully. A door of length 2 meter, breadth 1.5 meter is fitted in a wall. The length and breadth of the wall are the total length of the wall and 6 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. Now find the cost of whitewashing the wall at the cost of ₹25 per square meter. So how can you find in that one? See here, first of all you have to find area of the door. Okay, see here, area of the door. Everybody know that door means rectangle shape. So what is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay, so we have to put length into breadth. What is the length? 2. Breadth 1.5. The both are meter. So you have to write 2 into 1.5. See, multiplying in that one, what will you get? 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. See here 0.5 is there, so you have to put point. So 3.0 means you can write 3 is enough for you. Both are meter, so multiplication symbol, so you have to write meter square. So area of the door is equal to 3 meter square. Now you have to find area of the wall. So wall, here the rectangle word is not here, but length and breadth word is here. So you have to understood the wall was rectangle shape. So you have to write, first you have to find area of the wall. What is the area of the wall? This is also length into breadth. What is the length? See here, length is 6, breadth 3.5. Now you have to multiply 6 into 3.5. The both are meter only. Okay, now you can multiplying of in that one, what will you get? 6 5s are 30, remainder 3, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, 0.5 is there, so 21.0, you can write 21. Both are meter, so we have to put meter square. Clear? Now what do you need? You need the cost of whitewashing the wall. Okay, so first you have to write area of wall, area of the wall to be whitewashed is equal to area of the wall, area of the wall to be whitewashed is equal to area of the wall minus area of the door. Okay, now see here, what is the area of the wall? 21 minus area of the door 3. What is 21 minus 3? 18. Both are meter squared, so we have to write meter squared. So this is the area of the wall to be whitewashed. Now at the rate of rupees 25 per square meter. So therefore you have to find the cost of whitewashing equal to this 18 into 25. See here, what will you get? 18 into 25. See the multiplication. 18 into 25 means 8 5s are 40, remainder 4. Now 1 5s are 5, put plus symbol. 8 2s are 16. What is 16 plus 5? 21. 21 plus 4, 25. So here you can put 5. The remainder is 2. Now you have to multiply 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So what is your answer? 450. So the cost of whitewashing is rupees 450. Everybody clear? So the cost of whitewashing rupees 450. This is your answer. Everybody clear? What is that? A door of length 2 meter, breadth 1.5 meter of the fitted on in the wall. So we have to find the area of the door. You will get 3 meter. And then length and breadth of the wall are 6 meter and 3.5 meter. So you have to find area of the wall. This is also the same formula. You will get 21 meter square. Now you need find the cost of whitewashing the wall at the rate of rupees 25 per square meter. So first you have to find the area of the wall to be whitewashed. So area of the wall to be whitewashed is nothing but the total area of the wall minus area of the door. Already the both value you can find it. So substitute here, you will get 18 meter square. Now the cost of whitewashing is in this 18 into 25. Multiplying in that one, you will get rupees 450. Therefore, the cost of whitewashing amount is rupees 450. Everybody clear? Thank you.